You are not ugly. The real problem is 6 bad habits that are destroying your face every single day, and you don't even notice them. The bad news: if you don't fix them now, you will keep aging faster than you should. So in this video, I will show you what those 6 habits are and exactly how to fix them. And the good news, the fixes are simple, and you will start seeing results in just a few weeks. Let's start. 1. Touching your face. Touching your face all the time. Every time you touch your face, you transfer dirt and bacteria. Your hands touch phones, money, doors, handles, and surfaces all day. Your face absorbs everything. The result: breakouts, inflammation, and dull skin. Here's how to fix this. Stop resting your face on your hands. Clean your phone screen daily. Be conscious. Face touching is a habit, not a need. Clear skin starts with self-control, not products. 2. Sleeping late. Sleeping late consistently. Sleep is when your skin repairs itself. No sleep equals to no repair. You can eat well, drink water, and still look tired if your sleep is broken. The result: dark circles, pale skin, and early wrinkles. Here's how to fix this. Sleep before 11 p.m. at least 5 days a week. 7 to 8 hours minimum. Reduce screen time 30 minutes before bed. Your pillow time matters more than your skincare. If you have noticed yourself in at least 2 of these habits, do not worry. Your glow is not gone, it is just blocked. Blocked glow can be restored. Let's unblock it. 3. Not drinking enough water. Dehydrated skin equals lifeless skin. Moisturizers work from the outside, water works from the inside. The result: dryness, rough texture, and dull complexion. Here's how to fix this. Drink 2 to 3 liters daily. Add fruits like watermelon and oranges. Reduce soda and excess caffeine. If your lips are dry, your skin already needs water. 4. Overwashing. Overwashing your face or using harsh soaps. More washing does not mean cleaner skin. Overwashing damages your skin barrier. It forces your skin to produce more oil to protect itself. The result: irritation, oil imbalance, and breakouts. Here's how to fix this. Wash your face 2 times a day. Maximum. Use a mild cleanser. Avoid bathing soap on your face. Gentle care creates better glow than aggressive cleaning. 5. Poor diet. Too much sugar and junk food. What you eat shows on your face. Your skin is built from what you eat, not what you apply. The result: acne, uneven skin tone, and puffiness. Here's how to fix this. Reduce sugar and fried foods. Eat vegetables, eggs, and fruits. Add healthy fats like avocado and nuts. Feed your skin and it will reward you. Listen carefully. Some people blame genetics for dull skin, but genetics load the gun, your habits pull the trigger, and the trigger is pulled daily. Here is the biggest trigger. 6. Stress and overthinking. Stress releases cortisol. Cortisol is your skin's enemy. You can have perfect skincare and still look exhausted if your mind is always under pressure. The result: breakouts, dark circles, and a tired appearance. Here's how to fix this. Practice deep breathing. Take short walks, reduce negative self-talk. Rest your mind, not just your body. Fix these habits for 30 days, and people will ask you, what are you using on your face? That's it. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.